Whether you're draining pasta, rinsing rice, scooping out fried food, or making a cocktail, we've got the right strainer for every job. First, our favorite colander for pasta. This is the RSVP Endurance Colander, and this thing is a game changer. It has little tiny holes all over so it drains instantly. A nice tall base so everything is up off the bottom of the sink and nothing can wash back in. It's got a nice wide diameter here so it's an easy target for pouring. And the sides are high enough so nothing washes up and over, but not so high that it's hard to pour. It's made of stainless steel, so it's rust-free, it's nice and sturdy, it's lightweight, the handles stay cool. And all in all, this RSVP Endurance Colander is a test kitchen classic. Next, our favorite fine mesh strainer. It's perfect for rinsing rice before cooking, or to wash or drain a few vegetables, to strain sauces, sift flour, even sprinkle some confectioner sugar. This is our favorite by Rosalie, and it's nice and sturdy, so it's not going to bend out of shape or snap or rust. The mesh really drains and strains thoroughly. It's easy to clean, and we really love these little hooks on the handle, so you can just prop it up on the bowl or pan. It's a little bit pricey, but you're never going to have to replace it. Next, when we're deep frying or blanching or boiling, we really love using a spider skimmer. Now, a spider holds more than a slotted spoon, and that wide cage really makes it easy to catch food and drain it fast. Our favorite tea strainer by Finem is terrific. It gives tea leaves plenty of room to expand and infuse, and it has a very fine mesh so it catches any little tiny particles, and it drains fully. This really simple shape is so easy to fill and to clean, and it slides right into mugs or teapots. And finally, our favorite Hawthorne strainer by Cocktail Kingdom. This helps you hold back ice or ingredients like fresh mint or lemon after you mix drinks. It lets you control the fineness of the strainer, and it's really comfortable and easy to use, so you get professional results. With each of these tools, you're ready to drain anything. Cheers!
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.